Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Please like and subscribe if you like this kind of content. So today is Magical Mask Monday. It is October 30th, and we are going to use our Moonology cards, which we're just going to pick one. Ask your guides, and the Sacred Forest Oracle. The mask I'm using today is the Revitalizing Mask by Spa Life. It's the Sugar Skull series. And it says here, traditionally red and purple sugar skulls represent vitality, and wealth. It has jojoba to help your skin appear nourished, and fortifying vitamins. Yeah, I can talk today. So anyway, I'm enjoying these masks. This has been on about almost 10 minutes now. I am enjoying these masks. I do feel like they help. So there's that. All right, let me drop you down. Let's get to the cards. All right, so we have Moonology. We're going to shuffle them up and spread them out. I hope everybody's week has been going good. I mean, sure, a lot of you that have children, or even some of you that don't, are very busy with Halloween coming up. Whoops. I got cards flying everywhere. Alright. I'm going to ask our guides, all of our guides, to band together and help me choose the best card for myself and my viewers. New Moon in Libra is what came up. Alright. I'm just going to put these down here. Now we're going to ask your guides. My cat's looking out the window. It's a kind of a nice day. It's in the 60s, but it's rainy. Rainy fall day. It's been beautiful the last couple of days, even though we've had rain in between. All right, solitude, higher self. And the number is 13. I can dig some solitude, I'll tell you that. I'm a total introvert, so this is my most social that I am because it's just me and the camera. It makes it a lot easier for me to be a social person. Alright, let's spread these out. Oh, that was Sacred Forest I'm shuffling up. Meandering Pathway. Flow. It's number 24. And this one fell out, so I think it's important. We're going to add that. I don't usually have ones falling out on this deck. So we got Meandering Pathway, which is number 24. Look at that. The book opened right up to it. And Wizard of the Woods, which is number 50. All right. So we got a little bonus. Pull you up. Whoop. Pull you up just a little bit. All right. So the Moonology card is New Moon in Libra. It says a new romantic cycle begins. Give and take could well be the answer to whatever dilemma you are asking about. Compromise may be called for. It's time to start negotiating or even renegotiating. When the new moon in Libra comes up, there's a restart for you and for someone else. A new relationship could be beginning. And if that's the case, the chances are that this will be a healthy and well-balanced connection. In anything you do after pulling this card, doing it in pairs is advised, such as you teaming up with someone in business or in your personal life. Libra is the sign of relating, and this card suggests that who is ever at the heart of this issue that you're addressing is someone who will be open to talking things through. Avoid being selfish. It won't get you anywhere at this time. The teaching is Libra is the sign of love and harmony, negotiation, and relationships. It is harmonious, kind, and luxurious, and always aiming for balance. So when we have the new moon in Libra, or at any time that you draw this card, there's a restart possible for anything and everything connected to partnerships, negotiations, appearances, and justice. Remember that Libra is depicted by a set of scales. This energy wants you to bring back the balance and the equilibrium. Very interesting. Okay, solitude, higher self. This is the Ask Your Guides. This is what the card looks like. Oh, I'm on the wrong page. There we go. Now we're cooking with gas. Your desire to seek solitude is appropriate at this time. You're being counseled by your higher self to retreat and renew your soul through quiet contemplation. Your nervous system has been overstimulated and you can't absorb any more input from the outer world. Step away and give yourself the necessary peace and time alone you require to revitalize your system. In doing so, you'll begin to sense, feel, and even hear the voice of your higher self, but only when you step into this more natural surroundings. Reconnect with nature in any way that is practical, given your circumstances. Fully open your heart to your higher self, even if you fear that you can't make the contact. You are making contact. Furthermore, your higher self asks you to take your time when contemplating your circumstances and considering your options. Resist the temptation to yield to any sense of urgency. There's no emergency. Your true direction will make itself known if you are patient. Your higher self also alerts you to the fact that not all the necessary pieces of information to make the best decisions may be apparent yet. Your higher self wisely counsels that sometimes the most powerful thing you can do is nothing. The message is be quiet and wait. All right, so and we're going to do the Sacred Forest one. And the first one we pulled is Meandering Pathway, Flow. That it's a beautiful card. It has a wizard in it. Isn't that weird? When life path presents you a meandering path rather than a straight shot to a goal, you can feel frustrated. You might bemoan the fact that the path seems aimless and roundabout, and you can't see what's ahead. On the other hand, you can just enjoy the voyage. If life right now seems to have some sinuous curves, bends, loops, and turns, don't despair. Sorry, guys, that was some explosion outside. All is as it should be. This card is suggesting that you relinquish control to the path forward and just see where it takes you. You don't have to have all the answers to succeed. You don't need to know what tomorrow holds to have the astounding future. Simply sit back and enjoy the ride. You'll get to exactly where you need to be for your highest good. The spirit of the meandering pathway says, everything falls into place when you don't resist the flow of the meandering pathway of life. Allow the path to take you where you need to go. Don't worry. Don't hurry it or resist it. Simply let go, surrender, and enjoy the journey. So now we're going to do the extra card that fell out. I don't normally have cards that fly out like that, so it must mean something to someone here, or myself even. Wizard of the Woods is focus. You have this beautiful wizard. There is true magic in the world. However, to experience it, you must be able to direct your intention in the direction of your dreams. Thoughts are things, and as you focus your thought towards the good, you will attract more positive experiences and loving people into your life. If you direct your thoughts towards that which isn't working, you will create even more challenging situations. If you are pleased with the direction you are going, concentrate on what you desire, not what you don't want. To develop inner power, gather your energy and focus intently on one thing. Also, diminish activities that aren't essential to this goal, and it will be just a matter of time until miracles begin to unfold. The spirit of the Wizard of the Woods says, put your attention on what's worthwhile, loving, and beautiful. That's what will manifest in your life. What you focus on is what you create. This is the time to choose just one thing to focus on rather than a slew of things and watch miracles abound. So, very interesting. I hope you enjoyed this reading. I hope that your week is magical and fun and happy with Halloween coming up. I hope you all have a safe and fun Halloween. Remember to have those kiddos have flashlights and some sort of reflection on them. That's just the mom and grandma coming out at me. Make your kids go trick-or-treating in groups. You know, the normal stuff you do. Anyway, you guys have a fun and safe week, and I will see you next Monday. And until then, see you later. Bye.